No, gnome caps are quite special. We use them primarily as a form of camouflage, but they also protect us gnomes from blows from above, such as from careless animals or falling twigs. If necessary, we'll surrender our caps to predators. And gnome caps are quite handy for storage of important items.
Well, flippin' flamin' Dora, I almost forgot about the hats that our amazing scrappers have designed. We want to see your gnome hat creation, even if you haven't already made one in advance. Go on, you still have time to whip something together. Show us your best rendition of a gnome cap here. We'll choose a lucky winner or two from your fab photos.